there. So welcome to this next topic of nodemcu. In this topic, as I told, we're going to focus on home automation. So we need not make any other big change in the previous program what we have created, but we're gonna change the hardwares in the previous program. Previously, we had used only the nodemcu board, but in this program, we're gonna use the relay module. The blue module you could see is the relay module, a bulb and a holder to hold that bulb, and a socket or a room AC connection. So for this, what we have done, there are three pins in the relay module. One is the data pin and another two are the VCC and ground. So the VCC is connected to 3.3 volt and the ground is connected to the ground of nodemcu board. After the data pin, as we have used the D0 pin, so we have connected the data pin of relay to the D0 pin. After this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the three sockets of the relay. You can see there the three sockets. The relay works as a switch. So what this switch does actually, it acts as a manual switch what we operate at our home. When we switch on the relay, the switch gets connected to each other. The two terminals get connected to each other and it becomes a closed circuit. You could see over there the yellow and the blue wire gets connected when the relay gets on. And when the relay gets off, the yellow and the blue wire gets disconnected. So this connection and disconnection is done internally by the relay. And this is the reason how we could control a AC module, that is a AC device, that is a bulb, with a 5 volt or 3 volt DC device, that is a nodemcu board. It operates on a DC. So this is how we could control it. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect as per the diagram below. And after this connection is done, we're gonna code it. So let's code it. So this was our previous program what we had made. We won't change anything except one thing. We have programmed it as per the built-in LED. But over here we are not using the built-in LED. So we will put high for on and we'll put low for off. So this is done, and now we'll plug in and we will upload the code. So here we go and upload the code. Once you press upload, it will show you compiling sketch. And let us wait for a few seconds. So here we have done uploading. So now we'll follow our previous steps, that will go to the serial monitor. Okay, we have got the IP address. We'll copy this IP address. First of all, before this, we'll check if our device is connected with the hotspot or not. So here we get it over here and we'll connect with the hotspot, and the connection is not secured till, let's wait for a few seconds. So here we have connected it. And now what we're gonna see that if we are pressing on, it's sending on. If we are pressing off, then it's sending off. And now this particular thing we're gonna do it and we're gonna see it. So here is our device connected with all the equipments that we had. It's a very big equipment over here. So now let us press on. So here you can see the bulb starts glowing. And now let's press off and you can see the bulb doesn't glow. Now, so we have done the project. We have connected the wirelessly a local network with our nodemcu board, and everything is working wirelessly. Awesome, we have done it. So now for this video we end with this. In the next video we gonna make a app so that it works very efficiently for us. So thank you now. Let's meet in the next video.